Alright, so this is the gas brooder that was just sent to me by DAMLY Environment Technology. Yeah, it's a company that produces such an amazing gas brooder. But this is not just an ordinary gas brooder. You can see it looks, it looks like the popular ones we see with the hover that you can see here, which is just typical of a gas brooder, so that it can spread heat, But this is special. I'm going to tell you reasons why it is special. This one has a thermostat attached to it. So with this thermostat, it regulates itself. It can self-regulate, and that's amazing. We say the day-old cheese cannot self-regulate, or they cannot self-thermoregulate, but this one can actually self-regulate itself for the day-old chicks. So how does it do that? With the aid of this thermostat, and this is the sensor, kind of a thermometer. So what happens is you place this in the environment or just around the chicks to pick the temperature that you want your chicks to enjoy, not up here, down here. And then you set it. Once you have you may also need your thermometer, to know the kind of temperature that you have where this is. So you just set it to that and leave the thermostat. You can actually turn this knob. You can turn it high and low. So I'm leaving it at 30 there. So you use this to set it, and once you place it like that, anytime the temperature, maybe the sun now comes out to add up to the temperature of the house, once the temperature goes higher than you have set the thermostat, this thing will go down. Yes, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you how it works. So it's just so good. It's pretty good. It's an innovative product that every farmer would want to get. If you need peace of mind, if you want peace of mind on your farm, you want to get something like this. So quickly, let's just test how this works. I'm going to take this sensor close to the burner and see if it's going to trigger the burner to go down. Okay, let's see what happens in a few seconds. Yeah, within a few seconds. I know this thing is covered with a silicone guide, so the main sensor may not be getting the heat very quickly, but in a few seconds, or let's say 1 minute or so, we will get there and we'll see what we are talking about. All right, I expect it to turn down the burner any moment from now. So in case you're just joining the channel, this is DIY Agric, your #1 animal scientist and your poultry success partner. Yeah, I think it's happening already. Oh my god. So this is a good gas brooder, and I think it's about 2,500 capacity. I'm going to verify that and put it in the description below. But you can see it has gone down. And even if you are brooding just 100 or 200 birds, this level can actually do it for you. So whatever you're doing, I think this is really good. It's really good for you. And I'm going to take it away now and see if it's going to kick back into action and, just go back to full capacity. All right, I'm going to dip this inside water to make it real quick. I'm dipping it in water to make it real quick. All right, so let's see what happens. Wow, I love the way this burns. It's just clean, and unlike some other gas brooders that after the first use, the material begins to change color, I think this is just still clean stainless steel. All right, so after dipping the sensor into water to cool it off quickly, you can see it jumps back into action. So that what happens if it begins to rain and the environment becomes colder. This gas brooder just knows, okay, it's time to go higher, and it just does that for you. So this is peace of mind. Come on, it's peace of mind, and it's really cool. I love the material so well. Okay, very soon I'm going to be showing you how to turn it on. Should I do that in this video? Okay, I'm just going to describe it after turning this thing off. Yeah, I'm just going to describe it. There's a lever that you just have to push down. Okay, I don't know if you'll see it here. You just push this down for about 20 seconds. Let the gas flow through, and then you light your burner, and you still leave it down After lighting the burner, you leave it down for about 10 seconds, and then you release. At that time, you see this thing is turning red. But I tell you, this is like the best I've used. Trust me, it's like the best I've used so far. But then there's one more thing. I still need to test it and know how it manages gas, because we want to save on gas. We don't just want the gas brooder that is so good but does not save gas. But this promises to save gas, but then I still need to prove it. All right, so one more time, let me just dip it. No, we are not dipping now. Let me just make it go down before I turn it off. But I tell you, this has got me already. It's got me. Wow, it's so good. And thanks to DAMLY for sending this to me. This is wonderful. This is really cool. It's really cool. It's just as they promised. They said, it's going to be the best that I've used. And it is already. It's until I test the gas usage anyway. I can't give that verdict now. But so far, I think it got me. And it burns so clean. So clean, so clean, so clean. Wow. Done already. Done again. Oh God. Man, don't burn my mic. You can see? And we are taking it away again for it to return. Wow, 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 wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. I think I should take some eats before leaving. I might have to run if it kicks back. Oh, wow. Trust me, the material is still so clean. No black spots, no change of color. Everything is just cool. Everything is just cool. Aside that, you have to do a little bit of installation when you get this. I think it's just mwah. All right, so that's it. Until the next time, peace.